And that's why all these hedge funds, they all have their own definition of arbitrage.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
This one here.
Hello there.
That's the guy. How you doing?
Hello, hi.
Would you like to learn about what you're looking at?
Yes, and my fans also want to know about it because I'm from Pakistan and Dubai, and I'm recording this live for my TV show.
We're actually in Dubai right now.
You are in Dubai?
Yes, our team is in Dubai.
Oh, I thought you were going to be teleported from here.
No, no. my twin clone, is in Dubai right now.
I thought
And
this
his
is
twin clone.
quantum physics, and we
his
are
twin
getting
clone as well, but
teleported.
not hers because she's one of a kind.
Hello everyone, right now I'm in Crypto Valley and we are covering the ICO Summit Conference from Zurich, Switzerland, and we are starting off with this first group of people who are blockchain terminal, and we have...
Hello. David.
You look like David Guetta's
Exactly.
sound guy. No, what's your name, brother?
No, David.
Naveed.
David.
Naveed. So Naveed, tell us about this stall project and what that has to do with blockchain.
So we basically provide one terminal where you have access to multiple exchanges and can perform your trades in a convenient manner.
Okay.
So like what we kind of like say as a cheat, think Bloomberg terminal, crypto.
Okay.
And then we offer an app store such that people can, you kind of have to show the screen now.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. So yeah.
You have to talk a little loud.
Okay, so we offer an app store where you can have all these third-party apps that can enhance your trading experience, whatever you need in terms of utilities, reporting tools, news and sentiment analysis, trends, all of that is available through different apps that you can have access through within a simple package.
Okay,
so
that's
everything
good.
at your fingertips such that you can make fast decisions to make more profits.
Nice. So we can connect this with Poloniex, Bittrex. Is that what you're saying?
Look here, we have multiple exchanges already set up to the system. So here, we got Kraken, Bitflyer, Bitrex, Scythe, Gemini, BTC, Exmo, OKEX. Like, we have over 30 exchanges.
So we have to go, the user, is it user friendly or we have to go through the API thing?
That's
Is it user friendly? Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, Gabriel. I'm VP of Product Development at
That means you're the rich guy. Okay, where are you from?
New York City.
New York City, okay.
Yes. So yeah, what I'm saying here, what was the question?
The question is, if I'm a new user, I don't know about cryptocurrency that much.
Yeah.
Do I have to go through the pain of API settings and everything?
No, it's all integrated. All the APIs are there. You have to learn how to read some charts.
Yeah.
And you have to know when to buy and to sell.
Yeah, that's okay. But
Yes.
but installing these also,
These are all pre-installed.
I just have to put my ID and password?
Yes.
Whoa, that's something new.
Yeah.
Wow.
We are working on several solutions, like a federated wallet potentially.
Yeah.
Yes, not confirmed, but there's a potential there.
And since we are talking about different people who have no knowledge about crypto and we are trying to create awareness, please explain this wallet in a simple language.
A wallet is your email address for your crypto money.
No, the thing that you are getting associated with.
Oh right, yeah. So
Wallet, everyone knows about wallet.
All your different emails and bundle them up into one email, so that you can send your money to one email from many different exchanges.
Okay, so my point is it working through the fiat currency also? Can we connect the banks also with it? No, not yet. Crypto to crypto to crypto.
That's for the top screen where we have apps.
Okay.
And that we'll have that facility through one of our partners.
Okay, in general, is it legal to operate it from Pakistan, India, where there is a gray area in cryptocurrency? Is your website or is it an application website? How is it?
Yeah, so this is a full hardware, software solution. This is the product you're buying.
Oh, this is the entire product we are buying.
Yes.
And how much it will cost?
It's $25,000 right now.
$25,000, and this includes these two monitors and the system also.
Yes.
Whoa.
And then what you get is you get token to mark all of your transactions through a software we built called CG Blockchain. CG stands for Compliance Guard. So the utility token is for marking down all the exchanges you're making onto that blockchain, which is it's an asset trading tape recorder. so that you're doing live auditing so that you don't go to jail.
So if we order over here, then you can deliver it to Pakistan, Dubai.
Dubai, for sure. Pakistan.
You have to
not
check.
Sure. I'm not sure.
Okay. So
I
in
know that there's problems with banking.
No, that same problem which Dubai has, Pakistan and India has the same problem.
Okay, yeah, but there's a problem specifically. I know in Indian banking for transferring crypto into fiat and back again.
Okay, but then again, it's just a computer hardware, right? You can deliver it anywhere.
Yes.
Okay, so where exactly people can order for it? On your website?
Order this, yeah, bct.io.
bct.io. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I think this looks amazing, but $25,000.
You make a lot more.
But the way crypto is going up these days. So your final word on cryptocurrency market. When exactly you see it's going somewhere?
I think that all the markets are going to converge into a blockchain environment.
Okay.
And then you'll be able to do asset trading a lot easier. It'll be more like barter for trading.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.